This is Shadow Dragon with Team Shadow Airsoft, and today we have a Evike's Box of Awesomeness Flash Edition, Collector's Edition from November 25th, 2023. And we're going to be opening this with the different dragon knife this time, right here. So, we're actually going to get right into this. As you can see, this first box is going to be a gun wall. Every single one of these came with a gun wall. They tape the ever-living shit out of these. Just down for a second. All right, this thing is heavy. I'm not even gonna lie, and it's huge. 48 inches long. So we're gonna put that aside for now. Also, get rid of this box. Whoa. All right. Let's get back to the BOA, the big boy. I should have sharpened this one. I think this one's more of a decorative piece, to be honest. All right. Put that up. Everyone's favorite. It's going to be paper. Lots and lots of paper. Paper, 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 and paper. Hey, I got a card this time. King of Clubs. This is the 6mm Pro Shop Barrett Firearms M82. That aside, I don't think I have that one right now. Each one of these came with a magazine, if I'm not mistaken, so we're going to go ahead and open this guy real quick. They also come with a patch in each of these magazines as well. So, there's the magazine. Let's just see what patch we got. That is the Mossberg UN-12 Mesa Tactical right there. All right, that aside as well. The magazine out of the way. All right. Oh, do these come with grenades? These do come with impact grenades. All right. I don't cut myself doing this. Even though at this point the knife isn't sharp. Green gas impact grenade. Do these spray BBs? I'm not curious. This is the Avatar gas-powered modular impact airsoft grenade. It does hold BBs, so I'll have to look into that a little bit more. But it is green gas. You can see the nozzle at the bottom right there. Put that aside. All right. Now for the guns. It's definitely a Colt. And I'm pretty sure these all came with, yep. As a Python 357. Right there. It is a metal upper and the handguard is polymer. And it looks like it actually has shells. So you get 6 shots. And a somewhat speed loader. So, very cool. It is CO2 though. There is a CO2 screw on the bottom. All right. That's awesome. Put that guy aside as well. All right, and for the big boy, let's see what we got here. This goes away. Bam. All right. Undetermined box. Just a gray box with warning labels. It feels like an open box because there's no foam or anything in there. What is this? What is this? What is this? Holy crap, what is this? All right, hang on. I saw this. I don't remember what it was. This is the Matrix Beam Rifle Conversion Kit Pre-Build, complete with Glock 17 licensed. So it's a Glock 17 with a whole metal kit on it. Actually, I'm assuming this is the rest of the Glock 17 if I want to convert it back. It's CO2. I can tell that right there. No, this is green gas. But there's definitely a CO2 mag in here. I'm guessing there's a handguard to go any direction. So if you wanted to hold it like so, it's very different, like 100% different. Oh, that's the charging handle. Interesting. And you can definitely tell it's a Glock down here. Very interesting though. Interesting. I really don't know what to think about this. It's good quality though. I just don't know about it. But yeah, that's something. It's valued at $399. The Python was valued at $89.99, and the gun wall is valued at $119. This is a 3-winner box. So, not too bad. I'm just very curious. Like, there's a Picatinny rail up here for whatever you want to put up there. I just don't find it. That's just weird to hold. I don't know. It's interesting. It's not something I'd normally pick up, but sure, we'll give it a go. See what it does. All right, guys. This is Shadow Dragon. We're out.